What's good YouTube, Uncle Jay here and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here and you like my content or what I post here on YouTube, then consider hitting the subscribe button, like, share, and we'll see each other in the comment section. Alright, so today I am going to be doing chest exercise. Today is my chest day and I'm shooting on a DJI Osmo Pocket 3 and it's a new camera that just came out recently, so I just got one last week and I'm here in a gym testing it out. It's actually low light here and I heard it really does well in low light conditions. So let's see what we get from it. Let's go. Okay, so first off, I'm gonna start with a flat bench press. I usually go for flat bench press before any other workout. So let's get to it. Focus. Okay, so usually I start with lightweight. I don't go heavy from the beginning. No, I start with lightweight. Then I work my way up. It's already winter here, so I'm not sweating. It's cold in here, so you can't see any sweat on me. Usually during summertime, damn, I sweat a lot, but not now. Alright, so moving on to the next machine, we hear Smith machine, incline bench press. We're gonna focus on the upper chest. Yeah, so not talking too much, let's get to it. Hey! Nah, man, I'm cool with that. You have to see everything, it should be real.
You post on YouTube?
Huh?
You always post this looking at videos on YouTube?
Yeah, and Instagram, that's all.
I have to go on TikTok.
On TikTok, huh?
That's gonna be huge.
You know, the foreign TikTok can be used here in China.
No go on. I mean,
Relax.
Alright, so I finished with the incline press. Now, moving to the cable machine, and we'll be doing 3 variations of exercises. First one will be hands pronated, like this. Okay, and the second one, hands wide open like that. and not like fully 180, nah, like slide. Okay, just flex a little bit and then move in this tempo. And then the last one will be standing right in the center of the cross cable machine, and then we'll be moving like this, like that. Okay, so just 3 variations. Let's get it. That was the second variation. All right, so now moving on to the third variation. Okay, so finished with the Smith machine. Now moving on to the chest press machine. And today's video is not like a complete chest workout video. Nah, I just got this Osmo Pocket 3. I had the GoPro and it didn't really do well in the gym, so then I got this Osmo Pocket 3 and I took it out here to test it out, how it performs in the gym. So this is it. Yeah, chest up like this. Gently, focus on the tempo. Pick it up. Alright, so done with today's workout. This is how the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 performs in this condition. And even with the overexposed areas, when I was doing the preview of the videos, you can see it's really doing a very good job. Like, keeps you brightened up and blows out the background. It's amazing. Yeah, so it's definitely a yes for me. This DJI Pocket 3 is definitely a yes for me. All right, so viewers, if you've been able to watch this video through to this end, then I think you should consider subscribing, hit the like button, and share. We'll see you in the comment section. Peace out.